else, but the recording it messed up. I don't know what happened. Well, hold on. Alright. I'm gonna go her. This says, Merry Christmas, great.
How did you doing, bitch?
Eating something that Rock gave me.
That chocolate is point.
Wanted to get you something that you love without a doubt. But then I had a great idea. This is who I am. Merry Christmas. I let you pick it out. Mer, you got me a SD card. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you. I'm not fully woke, but I'm finna put this together with the card vote. I need to plug it up on bro. Hold on, cause y'all need a better angle. I'm trying to see right now. I'm finna put it together. So I'm finna put this together. Just the little thing that go. Well, y'all finna see in a minute. Nah, for real though. Don't mind if this is kind of blurry, cause first of all, I have a screen protector on her, and I don't know what's going on with it. It's a little broke, but don't talk about my screensaver. I bought, see, this, it would never let me be great, like, why I just can't be great, like, let me be great. Why do you choose to play with me? Why? Why me? Don't say not, oh, she got a sheet on her window. Nigga, I'm black. That's what black people do. No, shut up. Nah, real talk. Like, all jokes aside, let me take this off my head. Oh, that's messing up my head. Yeah, I'm finna get my nails done tomorrow. I'm gonna take y'all with me to get my nails done. But I still gotta, get in the shower, brush my teeth, bruh. Gotta wrap my hair back up just to get in here. And y'all, I'm talking too much. I know. Y'all ain't gonna die. Let's get into it. So, I don't know why I put it back in the cart. I mean, why I put it back in the, in the cart. But, hold on, because I want it to be brighter for you guys, though. Like, alright, since it wanna fall. First of all, let's just take some time out to acknowledge that this is beautiful. Even the grapes. And this, it says, this is who I am. Merry Christmas. And then, of course, this. And unless y'all want to read it yourself, So open it. Got the battery in there. Now we're gonna stick the little card in there. Put the other way, maybe like this. So yeah, going that way. Let's close. I don't know what this is for. Oh, it's a memory card. But how do it go in there? That's the question. Don't you dare try to follow me. Anyways, first of all, let me see. Like, just can't never let me be great. Where did this go? Being so stubborn, bruh. Trying to figure out where this go. Wait, let me put this in there first and then see something. What's going on? Put it in there the wrong way? Oh, I did. Let's see something. See, it blinked. I don't know if y'all seen it, but it blinked. It blinked. Insert SD card. I inserted the SD card. Oh, dang. It's the disrespect. Let me charge it up, bro. I'm doing the charger. Then I gotta hurry up because I gotta get ready to go do stuff. At 12, she said, and it's what? Like, I just woke up, it was like 10 or something. I don't know. But, what do you, oh, you plug it up in there. Okay. We're learning something new. Dang, cuz. Now it's hard to open it, but we got it open. And let me plug it up. I got the app on my phone, baby. Let me connect it first. I'll be back. Why y'all didn't tell me I was itchy when I was on the bed? I quit, but unfortunately we can't finish until the GoPro charge up since it wanna be stubborn. And I don't know if it's the SD card, I don't know what it is, but if it is, we just go take it back. So yeah, I'm gonna just get back with y'all when it charge up, and we gonna go from there. Guys, so more of the story is I got it up.
Your camera working yet?
Yes, it is working, ma'am. And
Your camera working yet? You want some footage?
yeah. Hi guys.
Who y'all love? Y'all love me?
Oh,
No, y'all don't.
turn the other way. Turn the
Who y'all love? Y'all love that baby camera?
How much y'all paying for that?
What?
How much y'all paying for that?
What? Oh, that camera's 400.
Hey,
Hey,
guys, we're rich. We're rich. We're buying PS5s and everything. We're rich.
Why is you telling me?
Fuck you, see?
I got something for y'all though. Hey y'all, I got something for y'all though. I got something for y'all though.
What?
Y'all wanna see what I got for y'all?
Yeah.
Y'all wanna see? You gotta get up and come grab it.
I'm gonna go see.
Hold on, wait. That's
There you go. Go back. Close your eyes. Don't put it on me. I look a mess.
Bro, you do not.
It ain't got no clothes.
I ain't got it down there.
Oh! Don't break it.
Let's go!
Oh! Don't break it.
23.
PS5.